Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. And in today's video, all I want to talk about is Ethereum gas fees. Ethereum gas fees is all I want to talk about, and it has been a huge topic in the past couple of months, like 2 months ago, when the gas fees started hiking. So if we want to talk about Ethereum gas fees, we want to first know what is Ethereum. So Ethereum, as I've just put it in Google here, it is the second largest cryptocurrency platform by market capitalization, and it's only behind Bitcoin. So it is decentralized open source blockchain featuring smart contract functionality, and Ether is the cryptocurrency generated by Ethereum miners as a reward for the computations performed to secure the blockchain. So Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, and want just to know why the gas fees have been so high in the past couple of months. So now the adoption of Ethereum has been powerful recently, and there has been very many decentralized financial applications on the blockchain network. As you can see them here, this page here shows the top Ethereum dApps. These ones, there are many. Actually, that is only one page. If I'm to go to the second page, the second page has opened also. You can see all these ones. There are exchanges, there are gambling sites, there are marketplaces, there are games, and also the smart contracts. So all these dApps are fighting for their transactions to be processed, and they are also fighting for dominance on the blockchain. So if more and more transactions are to be made, more and more gas fees has to be paid, and this gas is what incentivizes the actual miners of Ethereum to process those calculations on the blockchain. So this is the reason as to why gas fees are high. In other words, gas works as fuel for Ethereum network, and the fee paid to the miners to execute the trade. Let me repeat that. The gas works as fuel for the Ethereum network, and a fee paid to the miners to execute a trade. So if very many people are processing trades on the blockchain, what incentivizes the miners to execute a trade is gas. So the more gas fees you pay, the miners have an incentive to process that transaction. So as you can see, there are very many people on the blockchain because all these dApps here, they are making transactions every day, every minute, and every second. All these ones. So there is gonna be a bidding war, and they will pick only transactions with high gas fees. So for all of you who are doing smart contracts like Limeshare, Forsage, EtherChain, Ethereum Gold, Hex, there are many actually. In order to get started, there is need to be an interaction with the smart contract, and that alone takes more computation power to set up the account. In other words, those peer-to-peer smart contracts, we know that the smart contracts which are peer-to-peer, the Ethereum from one member goes to another member. But still, in order to interact with to do that, you have to interact with the smart contract itself. So that's why they are saying that that in order to get started, there is need to be interaction with the smart contract, and that alone takes more computation power to set up the account. So the registration for a smart contract takes up more computation power. So that means that the more people fighting for that computation power in the smart contract, and in this case, you're going to find that individuals are going to be bidding high gas fees without even knowing, because they are fighting for a slot in the smart contract. Now, that usually happens when the smart contract is new on day one. You can see very many people, usually the gas fees are high because very many people are fighting for a slot into the smart contract. So that is one of the reasons. So you find that people are bidding for high gas fees without even knowing, and they will be paying high gas fees so that their transactions will go through and they will secure a spot. Others won't pay their gas fees because they are too high and their transactions will be pending. And all those who pay little gas fees, your transactions will be pending for a longer time, while those ones who pay high gas fees, the transactions will go through instantly and they will secure their spots. So, in other words, that is that gas fees, it is all about the congestion on the blockchain. Congestion on the blockchain. The more people on the blockchain willing to make their transactions go through, the more gas fees you guys are going to pay. So the best idea here, in order to avoid paying high gas fees, what you guys should do is that you should always come back when the traffic is low. You just keep trying. If you're not willing to pay high gas fees, you should always come back when the gas fees are low and you execute your transactions. If it is fine with you, you just pay the high gas fees and your transaction will go through. There is an article I've found here, Understanding Ethereum Gas and Transaction Fees. I'm going to leave a link to this article. You guys can read about it. It was published in May, and I've read about it. It is good. You guys can look at it. This transaction talks about, first of all, gas and smart contracts, how gas works on the ETHEREUM network, the problems with gas, all these. I'm going to leave a link for this article. You read about it, and basically that's what I had for this video. So you guys know now why gas fees are high. Ethereum gas fees are high in the past 2 months ago. And all I believe is that this is going to be just for a short time because of this. And what I know is that these gas fees, they might cause a hike in the price of Ethereum. As you have seen it in the past couple of months, the price of Ethereum has also risen. So, guys, that's what I had for today. See you in another video.